Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a question that many of you have been asking. How do you permanently delete your TikTok account? Whether you're looking for a fresh start or just want to take a break, deleting your account is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your TikTok app on your smartphone. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on those to bring up the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, click on the Settings and Privacy option. Then click on the Account option. Now at the end, you will see the option Deactivate or Delete Account. Click on it. Select Delete Account Permanently. Choose the option for Why are you leaving TikTok, and then click on Continue. Or hit the skip button on the top right of the page. If you want to download your TikTok data, click on the Request to Download. Now check the box and hit Continue. TikTok will now ask you to verify your identity. Depending on your settings, you may need to enter your password or use another method of verification, such as a text message code. Once you've verified your identity, TikTok will ask you to confirm that you want to delete your account. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, and all of your data, videos, and followers will be permanently removed. After confirming, TikTok will give you a final warning about what deleting your account means. If you're sure you want to proceed, tap on Delete Account one more time, and there you have it. Your TikTok account is now permanently deleted. You'll be logged out of the app. That's all for today, folks. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.